Jen Lillian here, helping coaches in the health and fitness space build their online marketing machine if they haven't done so already. So I actually release little Facebook Lives every Tuesday in my group, my Quality Clients Generation group. The link is below this video. But I have actually seen coaches in the past get so that they're so behind building a machine online to generate high quality leads and clients that brings them the sustainability and predictability in their business. And it's all good stuff. There's so many positives in doing so. But yes, I have seen those coaches who have completely just boycotted the idea of just doing the organic stuff as well, and the importance to always keep complementing and supplementing the business system they create by just doing simple things like striking up conversations, which is easily done online. It's so easy to find yourself in groups that complements the service that you put out there that help your clients, and there's so many ways that you can get clients organically. And I always do recommend that you have the balance of going online as well as offline when it comes to your marketing. So you're a coach, and fair enough, you're getting quite tired of the old school way of doing things. So for example, flying on the streets, doing joint ventures. What else is there? What else have I done? Word of mouth. Again, these are awesome offline marketing strategies, very traditional, but they still